Alright, so this is kind of how I do things. I really like these grow bags. I think this is 150 gallon. Keeps everything really nice and airy. That's where I planted that lettuce from inside that I grew from the cutting. It's doing well inside, brought out here, it disappears. I don't know, we don't have rabbits, so like what could it be? And same thing over here. Just gone. We're kind of going to look at these over time to see how things do in this. So this is my cilantro, lettuce, and chard, I think? Red chard? Kind of let it get out of hand, but here we are a couple months later. It's starting to go to seed. Need to pick all this though. Things taste better before they go to seed. Cilantro is just taking off, the onions, lettuce. Vegas weather, y'all. Super airy. I love these grow bags. Takes more to fill up than you think, but made that soil that I made. This is what we're looking like 3 months later. Alright, now we're really going off. Really going to seed here. I've been picking this though getting a harvest every week, a couple times a week even. It goes crazy. You can see here seed, going to seed, going to seed. But I think I'm gonna take off most of this because we're about to get really hot. Again, conditions are great. Try to put more lettuce out here, but again, when it's small, it just disappears. I don't know why. I really think it's the birds. But chard, red chard, cilantro, lettuce, these all do great here in Vegas. Got some onion down there. Cilantro's going to seed as well. But if you're thinking about these grow bags, this has been a good, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Between 4 and 6 months. No issues. I can't say enough good things about them. Okay, now it's gotten out of hand. It's starting to get hot, really hot. So I'm just gonna cut it all off. See how these taste when they've gone to seed versus when they were not. Put the tomato in here. I'm just going to pull out all the root. I don't think these things come back yearly. But we'll put some yellow drop tomatoes over here. All in all, everything turned out great. That air bag really did great. Bought these for about $1 or so at Star Nursery. I know these weren't sprayed with any weird chemicals like they do be at the store. And I'm enjoying this.